So basically I just got this from like a bottle cap or something. Cut it out, and then I'm gonna glue this on top of this servo arm, and this will actually serve as the steering wheel. So it's gonna look something like that. All right. Alright, so here it is. Now I'm just showing this to you before I paint this. So basically this just came from a plastic bottle cap, and just cut it out in circle, and then super glued plus baking soda to attach it to this servo arm. And this is actually going to be attached to this servo, and this will eventually be moving the arms of the driver, so we'll have an animated driver. All right, more to come.